In order to set up recurring deposits in Robinhood, open up the app like you normally would. Please make sure you are signed in. Then go to the bottom menu and press on the profile icon just like so. Then go to the top right and select on these three bars. Then afterwards, you're going to see this section that says transfers. Please go ahead and select on it. And now all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on this option that says create a recurring deposit. So you're able to go ahead and press on that. And then from here, you can determine whether you want to deposit every single day, week, twice a month, monthly, or quarterly. This is 100% up to you. Let's select on quarterly, for example, and then you want to press on set schedule. Then from here, you'll need to choose from what account to what account. So for example, you could transfer money from your bank account linked to Robinhood to your Roth IRA. If you have one on Robinhood, or just your regular investing account, those are all certainly options that you guys are able to do. And of course, you're able to type in how much money you actually want to deposit recurringly. So I apologize if my screen was black. That was due to privacy reasons, but basically it's going to ask you how much money you want to deposit recurringly. And then from there, you're able to go ahead and enter it in. From there, you should be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.